Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and latest decoration ideas about Christmas. In this video you will see a huge collection ideas and about Christmas centerpieces, floral decoration ideas and many more beautiful and colorful things which are very gorgeous. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor. So keep supporting me, keep liking my videos. Don't forget to press bell icon for more updates. Subscribe my channel must. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.